Welcome to the Social Sciences and Humanities. So this is the first building of Social Sciences and Humanities. We call it the SSB building. So dito po banda ang student lounge or lounge area. So this is the student lounge we have here at Inday po, together with the other staff. Dito po kumakain ng mga faculty at saka mga student. So dito po ang lobby ng Social Sciences and Humanities. So on my right po is the SC office. So this is the SC office po. So it's accessible for the students. Displayed in here are the trophies na napanulunan namin for the previous years. So thank you, Miss. So on our left naman is the extension services of the College of Social Sciences and Humanities. As you can see here po, halos lahat ng mga students ay dito tumatambay sa SSB lobby. So dito sila nagkikita when they have group activities. So this is the common place of all students, especially from other colleges. So we have our CSSH Executive Committee. Dito po, headed by Dr. Monaima G. Manabilang RDU. So on the other side naman po, makikita natin that there is this vision and mission and core values of the Mindanao State University and the logos of the offices. So, on the other side naman po is the CSSH offering the following degree programs. We have there undergraduate programs, the doctoral programs, and the masteral degree programs. So, tuloy po tayo sa aming Dean's Office. So, our Dean's Office po, nasa taas po yung mga previous deans ng College of Social Sciences and Humanities. So, tuloy po tayo. So, welcome po sa aming Dean's Office. We have our Dean, ang aming dekana po, Dr. Monaima Gubat Manabilang, together with our Secretary, Sir Hamim Kasan. Thank you very much po. So, napaka-spacious po ng aming Dean's Office. So, we are ready to receive guests. So, dito naman po is our Assistant Dean na office po, Dr. Godiva E. Rivera. Okay. So, meron din pong office ang ating secretary or college secretary. Here's the office of our college secretary po, Dr. Hamim B. Kasan. Hi, sir! So, willing to receive guests din po anytime. So, accessible sa lahat ng stakeholders po natin, especially students and faculty, kasi po, nasa bandang may lobby lang po ang ating office ng ating mga administrators. Okay? Dito naman po banda ay office ng ating mga staff. So, andito po, well-maintained po ang ating office ng ating mga staff. Complete with materials such as printer. Meron po tayong mga computers para sa ating mga staff. Hi, sir! And also, ang CSSH staff daily time record. Meron din po tayong interactive TV banda dito, or small lounge ng ating mga staff. Equipped din po ang kanilang office with CR and also prayer area. Okay? Ito naman po ang other entry and exit point ng SSB building. Kasi going po iyan sa ating dalawang other building. We have 3 buildings po again. So, this is the Dream Building and the Emily Marhumsar Building po. So, papasok again tayo sa SSB Building, papunta sa mga offices po ng mga faculty. So, we have there CSSH sketch map para mas mabiling ma-navigate ang area. So, in SSB naman po, meron tayong prayer room for our brothers and sisters who are practicing Islam. So, meron po ditong prayer room na accessible for them in time na magpe-pray po sila. So, that's part of the inclusivity that we are also advocating as a university. Ngayon naman po, paakyat tayo sa second floor where the poolside department is located. Tara po, Science Department. Tuloy po tayo. Okay, welcome to the Political Science Majors Room. So, well ventilated. Meron po silang sarili nilang aircon at saka water dispenser. So, overlooking naman po tayo sa AMB at saka sa Lake Lanao. Okay? So, ang ganda po ng view ng ating mga majors. So sa labas naman po ng majors room ay nandito po yung bulletin board ng APSS or ng Association of Political Science Students at Department of Political Studies na bulletin board. So contain po dyan yung mga information. Okay? On my right naman po ay naka-PowerPoint presentation po ang Department of Political Studies na mga faculty members. Okay? Ayan po ang aming chairman, si Professor Abraham Batan. So ngayon naman po, papasok na tayo sa Political Studies Department. Tuloy po kayo. So first po, ay mag-a-attendance muna tayo. Automatic naman po, makikita ninyo pagpasok is our TV or lounge area para kung wala ng work, magkapag-rest po yung ating mga faculty members. So, meron naman po tayong information board wherein dito po makikita natin ang memorandum, office order, mga special order, at saka yung ating fire extinguisher. So, welcome to the Political Studies Department. Ito po yung aming mga Certificate of Program Compliance sa last na level 1 accreditation. Okay. Ayan po. Hi naman dyan mga colleagues. Hi po. Welcome to the Political Studies Department. So, dito naman po banda is our mini library containing all the books ng political science. So, at mga thesis ng aming mga students. Okay? So, well ventilated and naka-aircon na din po. And dito naman po is ang aming view is ang labas po ng college facing the natural sciences and mathematics. Pupunta naman po tayo sa printing area ng department. Dito po, equip po kami ng mga printers, computers. We have our water dispenser also, pantry area. Meron pong mini oven. So on my left naman po, andito po yung computer room at saka yung boardroom na din namin at the same time. Dito po nagaganap ang mga thesis defense. Okay, tuloy po tayo. So ayan po. So dito naman po yung mga students, pwede din po sila ditong pumunta to access the internet connection. We have Starlink na binibigay din sa kanila yung password so they can access internet. So dito naman banda, pwede silang manghiram ng mga books necessary at saka meron naman po ang aming mga printed materials ng COPC po na level ng accreditation. Tsaka ventilated naman po ito kasi kapag walang electricity, pwede naman pong i-open ito for light. Okay? So, meron tayong air condition para sa ating majors din habang nagwo-work sila dito. Sila din po tumutulong sa amin paminsan-minsan. Okay, so ito po ang ginagamit namin na TV or interactive TV kapag nagdi-defense. Okay, so yun, connected na din po ito sa internet so that if ever na may mag-online observation, meron din po tayong internet. And pwede po tayong pag-online meeting with our stakeholders, especially with our extension services. So yun lang po lahat. Thank you po sa pagsama sa akin ngayon sa tour na ito for Level 2 accreditation. So maraming salamat po, Ma'am Shirel and Sir Chrismar. So bye na po tayo sa ating mga accreditors, guys! Bye po. Thank you very much sa pagsama sa tour na ito.